Okay guys, there's snowmobiles behind me, but welcome to the Holiday Inn Marquette. We're in room 536, let's head on in. It is quite cold out, so give you a 360 degree tour of the room, show you around. So first impressions, here we go. Alright, so right away, got ourselves a chair, a nice lamp. It is 70 degrees in the room. Got a wardrobe, ironing board, no safe. That's okay though. Got coat hooks, little desk, coffee maker, got K-cups. Oh, tea. Big TV, microwave. Got ourselves a mini fridge. No. So, you know, I'm always looking for Gideon Bible. Nice view of, I guess, snowmobile trails, but let's look in here. Hey, look at that. We got ourselves a Gideon Bible. Maybe I should read some Ezekiel 25:17 later. Okay, I'm not Samuel L. Jackson. TV remote, clock, got a telephone, TV channel guide, nothing in there. Suitcase, CPAP machine, I should put that away. Backpack. Let's look at the bathroom. So once again, we are on the 5th floor. The bathroom's a little tiny. Hi. Body lotion, hand wash. This is a Holiday Inn, so it's Dove. What's in here? Okay, that's decorative. Got ourselves a hairdryer. 2 rolls of TP for your bunghole. 4 drinking glasses, ice bucket, lots of towels. Ooh, that scares me. So in here, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, standard stuff here. There is a restaurant on site because this is a full service Holiday Inn, so there are additional dinner menu options here. And then they provide you with the dinner menu. Now, I'm actually going to order dinner, and then I'm going to get on filming some other videos for you guys here. Because I need to finish up the UK stuff, and I figured I might as well shoot it here because it's nice and clean, and it's a hotel room, and I'm talking about hotels. So, yeah. Apologize for the low light. I should have turned on more lights, but see you in a bit.
Now Washington's better.
Way better.
Nashville's better.
Far better.
Los Angeles is better.
Really better.
Now Holiday Inn is a better place to be.
Almost every 7 days, a brand new Holiday Inn hotel opens in the locations you want the most. Better hotels in the best locations. That's why we're number one.
We're number one.